Fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl. Yeah, I think it's alright, girl. Just falling in love now, losing control now. Fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl. Yeah, I think it's alright. Falling, but she doesn't think he'll catch her. Cause her last relationship was a disaster. Accusations every day, she didn't know why. All her calls would be ignored, he's on his own time. Should've ended it before it started. All she ever got was broken hearted. He was cheating on her, trying to flip it back on her like a victim. Now she all alone and starting over. Now she got baggage on her shoulder, but the new guy really loves her. She loves him, but she doesn't trust herself anymore. She's falling in love now, losing control now. Fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl. Yeah, I think it's alright. Falling in love now, losing control now. Fighting the truth, trying to hide, but I think it's alright, girl. Yeah, I think it's alright, girl. Despite her past, she can't help the attraction. He tells her that he's nothing like the last one. He redefines in every way what love is. She fell for him and hasn't gotten up since.
Can't get enough of you. When we hello my love, wish you were here. So many things in my heart that I'd like to share. A few warm thoughts, a subtle smile. Our conversation through silence could last all night. At least my mind to see your face. Those sexy eyes could calm my heart of rage. You speak my name, I touch your. The chemistry only true love could understand. You opened my soul to happiness and showed me new ways of love. Smooth as life's travels with you beside me, I'll never walk alone. Can't get enough of you. And we can't get enough of you. And we can't get enough of you.
Alright, it's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Every time you come around me, I get weak. Oh, yeah. Nobody ever made me feel this way. Oh, you kiss my lips and then you take my breath away. So I wanna know what turns you on. Yeah, I like to know, so I can be your and more
Mom, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you come and try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but I'd be damned if I did not land mine. Or at least try. Can I speak up? Was it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night, slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, babe, cause I'ma call you mine.
In a fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby.